4 months ago, I had an accident while playing badminton. The doctor said I might need surgery, but there is another way I can heal on my own. I use my perseverance and sisu to heal and gradually get better. Please watch how I did it in the following clip. Let's go!